Oops. Okay, so I think it's recording. Let's just hope it is. Alright. So, hi. My name is Melina. I am about to do a shoot with my lovely sister over here, Christina. Don't do anything embarrassing. Oh man. Okay. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out how to use my little video thing on here. I think it's working. Let's hope so. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm gonna do some type of like... Oh, what are you doing?
There was a feather under my shoe.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do some type of bird cage theme type of shoot. I'm in her room today and was like, hey, wanna do a shoot? And she's like, what? Okay. Let's do it. Bye.
Girl, this is a workout.
Yay!
My feet are killing me. Did we get the shot?
I think we got the shot.
Can I get out of this outfit?
Yeah, you can get out of the crazy outfit.